Okay. This is William from Williams, Philippines. All right. It is Wednesday, the 26th of 2024, June 26th. Anyway, it's about 4:20 in the morning. Doing the audit, got disturbed by guests checking in late and a couple checking out, and not normal. So this is running a little later than normal, but okay, close enough. Anyway, you ever have those days where everything just seems to be fighting you? The computer's trying, well, my boss's computer's trying to give me a headache. Yay, headache. And just throwing it out at the window is probably not going to be seen as proper treatment of equipment. I'm not sure I care, but he does pay he does sign the paycheck, so I probably shouldn't, yeah. But some days, yeah, they keep updating things, and it seems like every time they update it, they have to update it again to fix the update that they updated it again to fix an update. So it is what it is. Anyway, yeah, all that kind of fun stuff. Tired. Didn't get near as much sleep as I wanted to yesterday. Apparently, we had a pretty good rain come through, and it woke me up. Well, the National Weather Service alert woke me up, and then I couldn't get back to sleep because the storm come over and was rattling the building. The wind was kicking pretty good, 45, 50. Yeah, miles per hour. We don't even notice anything under 20 to really speak of. That's just barely a hush of a breeze. So we don't really notice the light ones. But yes, we do have pretty good winds around here. And that's one of the things that does the storms and such come through. I don't know why the National Weather Service put it up. I just went back to sleep once I could. But hey, it is what it is. But that's okay. Hauled off and, got by and picked up a couple things at the store and run over and grab some Wesley's Beans and Barbecue, or Barbecue and Beans, something. Wesley's, real good place to get good barbecue here in Amarillo, to the north side of Amarillo. And yeah, I like going there and eating. They got good food. So yes, it's well worth getting there and enjoying dinner. Cost me an arm and a leg. Oh Lord, the prices have gone stupid. I will have to remember not to buy soda pop at the restaurants anymore, because they want way too much money. I mean, the cup costs 5 cents to make. With profit, it's counted in 10 cents for the company that makes it, with profit for the company. And then they sell it to these folks for 10 cents. And then they put 10 cents worth of sugar in it and seasoning, say 20 cents. So a 20-cent soda with the cup and lid and straw and ice in it, 30 cents. And they're charging $3 basically, $2.89. Add tax in on that, and yeah, you're up there to $3 for a 30-cent Coke. Yeah, I gotta remember not to buy any more at the restaurant. They're pounding too hard on something that's that cheap. Yeah, 10 times profit, or profit, charging 10 times for the profit on it. I know these things because back when I was doing it, it was about 8 cents, 9 cents. The cup cost us three. But you got to realize I was doing this for a short period back in, what was it, 86, 87? Before yeah. I worked at a couple of restaurants at one time. And yeah, a cup of soda cost you 10 cents and they were charging $1.50 for it. So yeah, I was doing just as bad then, but it is what it is. Anyway, yeah, interesting things on a few things there in the Philippines. Apparently, the costs have been costing y'all more. And I know that, the cost of living there in the Philippines is going up. I really feel bad for you. The Filipinos are having to try to rent places after, foreigners come in and drive the prices up. And yeah, I understand. Inflation goes up, the value of your peso, the dollar goes down, and they're not keeping track with each other, and it's squeezing everybody. It is what it is, though. Hopefully, the things will stabilize, and it's everybody's getting in this loop. It's out in California. They had the idiot in office take and push forth and sign a bill for $20 an hour minimum wage in restaurants. And the first thing that happened was a bunch of restaurants fired a bunch of people, cut back their hours so they don't get any overtime. And literally, it's well, you're going to make more money. You better make more, you better work more, is what the restaurants are telling them. And well, hey, don't. Well, we'll find somebody else make $20 an hour. They're complaining about, the cost of living out there. Well, when you raise the minimum wage, it does a nice, fun thing. It drives the cost of everything up. You drive the cost of everything up, and you have to make more money to take and cover the balance, the difference. So, I've said it before. If you was making $1.75 in real silver coin, this is the price of silver when I was born back in '64 or '63. My sister's 64. But yeah, you look at the price then. Silver quarter, silver dollar. A silver dollar right now is going for $28, $29 American. So $1.75. You're talking basically $50 an hour. But we're making, out there in California, they're making $20 an hour. So where did the money go? Another 50 or $40, 40 or so, 35, 40, something like that. By the time you get done adding in, 30 and 75 cents worth at, 3/4 of 30. So another, what, $22 on top of that. 28, 32, $60. Or, yeah, 28, $50. Y'all have a good one. So, yeah. Where'd our money go? $30 has been stole at least. But it's even more than that. So, yeah. Anyway, I noticed this last week I've managed to get 10 subscribers. Thank you all. I am now up to 107. Woohoo! Thank you very much. Please continue to hit the like button, subscribe, and comment. And I guess the notification thing too. Yeah, it is what it is. Okay. I'm ready for today to be over. I do want to get out of here and go. I got to go to my doctor's office and have them explain the x-rays from my neck and lower back. I'm getting old and falling apart. I admit it. I played rough when I was a kid. Did a lot of stupid on Stupid Street, and now it's coming due. Interest compounded. And oi, are they trying to collect. It is what it is. Let's see, what else was there? Yeah. I was, always checking out the videos over in the Philippines, and yeah. I enjoy checking them out while I'm up here at work and catching a little bit here and there when I'm at home. Don't get to do as much over at the house, it seems, except on my weekends. Because usually I get home after doing something, get home, do something, and try to go to bed after eating. Yeah. It's so much fun having to do everything. It's when you're chief cook, bottle washer, checker, in or out, or auditor, and all the whole 9 yards at your house. Yeah. When you take on the full-time job of taking care of the house, the full-time job of making the money to maintain the house, and everything else in between, some days I wonder how just 2 people get it done. Because I sure don't get it all done as 1 people. I got to compound things and, do them all kind of like schedule them so they fall together. And then sometimes by the end of the week, I get to my day off and I'm like, oh God, I still got all this other stuff to catch back up on. I don't know. A full-time person just to take care of the house, and a full-time person just to go out and make the money to take care of the house. I don't see how single people do it. I mean, I'm doing it, but some days I don't know. It is what it is. Anyway, I hope y'all are enjoying your work week. Today's my weekend. Well, it's Friday afternoon for me. I know it's Wednesday morning for everyone, most likely, or some folks, I guess, are already into Thursday morning. Yeah. It is what it is. Anyway, it's my weekend, my time, and I'm definitely going to enjoy as much of it as I can. But yeah, I got to go to the doctor and see what he says about the x-rays. So, yay. And then after that, I've got a couple things to try to do around the house. And I think I'm going to have to mow again because I pulled out of the house today and it looked like the yard grew 3 inches overnight. Yeah. The grass is already getting up 8 inches tall. I barely mowed it away. It's not even been a week since I mowed it last. and it's grown. I don't know. I think I'm half tempted to start cutting it even shorter and letting the sun burn it. But yeah, that's not good on your grass, and it means that you end up having dry spots and such. I don't have that problem. One way you got to cut it more often, the other way you cut it so low that you don't have grass. And so then you have dust bowl out there and cracked dirt, and you got to call that a yard. Anyway, this is William from Williams, Philippines. I hope y'all are having a blessed day. I hope it's going good for you. And hey, if it's hitting you, being a bad one, just remember this. It could have been worse. Be thankful it wasn't worse. And on the days that it's worse, like, hey, somebody's shooting at you, be thankful they're missing. Yeah. Anyway, y'all have a good day. This is Fish, and hey, Fish is out.